Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check if your system supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi speed into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we have to come over our search options. I'm gonna search for CMD over here. And after that, our CMD prompt is over here. So if you click on your right mouse button and then click as Run as Administrator, and then click yes. After that, this kind of interface will come. And now what we need to do, just come over your notepad and here copy this and then paste this over here. Don't worry, I will give this command prompt into our video descriptions. So after pasting it, just click on enter. And you can see there are a lot of informations came in. So basically we need to follow at this option called radio types supported. If your radio type supported have this 8.02.11 AC and 8.802.11B, if you have these two options, then you can make sure that your device or your system supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi speed. And you can see also that number of supported bands to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz too. So you can see over here that your Wi-Fi support 5 GHz. So this is how you can check your device support 5 GHz or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.